Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can get BullX private key and import it to the Phantom wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So what you're going to be doing over here is simply going to go to the option of BullX website. Go through your browser, type in BullX and access it officially, then get signed in, and at the left side you can see the options including the wallet manager as highlighted. Go ahead, tap on it. Then afterwards, all you gotta do is you have to create a new wallet. In your previous wallet we cannot go through the downloading your key process, so go ahead, create yourself a new wallet, and afterwards tap on the download key option and tap on this I acknowledge if the keys cannot be downloaded again, and tap on download private key and get your key downloaded. Once you've done that, you're going to open up your Phantom wallet and you're going to go through the section of wallet and again go to the option of create a new account. Then you're going to add in your name of your particular wallet you're creating for. Add in your name as well, is what you would like to create as a primary or secondary wallet, and then paste in your IP address over here. Paste your private key over here, and then tap on this option of import, and your private key will be imported and create an account on Phantom. That is it. That's how you do. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.